Hello there, my friends. And our mutual friend Elise writes, I have a problem where one of them is not turning on at all. Every time I press the button, the AirPod blinks red. What do I do to fix it? Yeah, I've had that problem with these as well. What Elise is talking about, and thank you very much for your question, Elise, is are these Prime Audio 5 Below AirPods, AirPod knockoffs. Oh, by the way, can you smash like for me? That really helps me. So the great thing about these AirPods is that they're only $8 and they look like AirPods and they come in a variety of colors, unlike AirPods. What's up with that, Apple? So not that I would pay $150 for earphones anyway, but $8, right? Pretty cool. Except when they don't pair, which is what you need them to do, right? So what happens often is that I will open these and take them out one at a time. And that seems to be a thing. Like, it seems to be that, like, one of them will pair and the other one won't, okay, if I take them out of the case. Now, here's a trick. If I have them both out of the case and I do what I just did, which was reset my turn on and off my Bluetooth, then that seems to be, there you go, see, connected. So now they're both connected. If I just have it like on standby where I have the Bluetooth on all the time like I do with everything else in my life, and I don't have to switch it on and off, then these sometimes will not automatically pair, or the first one I take out of the case will pair and the other one won't. And that's infuriating because, like, what is this, 1970 and I have one earphone? I want to listen to my stuff in stereo, especially music, right? So, not to mention the fact that you're walking, it throws you off balance for some reason. I don't know why, but for me it does. So anyway, usually it's the left one for some reason. So there's a button on the back, right? And this button's right here. And there's a little tiny light. And if you press that button, it's supposed to reset the pairing between the two headphones and the device, okay? Sometimes that will work. That will work maybe, I'd say, about 50% of the time. Unfortunately, it doesn't work all the time. So when I go for a run or whatever, I have to take this case with me, stop what I'm doing usually, and put these back in the case, which isn't, you know, which can be like inconvenient, and then repair them. So usually I'll do this, put them back in the case, and then open that back up. And usually that does the trick. But sometimes I have to put them back in the case, go back to my phone or whatever device you're using, turn on and off the Bluetooth, and then go like this again. And that usually does the trick. So yes, am I saving a ton of money by buying these? I am. Are they inconvenient sometimes? They are. Is that worth the price? I don't know. I mean, I got a $30 pair of earbuds. They do the same thing. Sometimes, not as often, one of them won't pair. These, it's probably about 50% of the time. The other ones I have, I'd say it's probably about 10% of the time. And I don't have AirPods, so I have no idea how often that happens. If you have AirPods, put it in the comments below and tell me why they, or you know, if they do that. And if anybody knows why they do that, then put that down there too. And if you know another solution that I didn't cover here, put that down there too. So poor Elise can like figure this out and you can help the rest of us and help me too. And you always help me by hitting like and subscribing, helps me. And have a great day and see if you can help somebody else. That's what we're here for. All right. Take care.